I'm really having a day when it comes to recording day 3 video on my 30-day challenge. Um, my first video I did, which covered a lot of stuff, and actually was pretty good, ended up getting deleted by accident, and I could not recover it. Second video started out okay too, until my dog came in and said, I gotta go to the bathroom right now. I had to stop. And unfortunately, the way things are set up on this particular video setup, I cannot just stop the video or pause it and then come back and continue recording. So it's a one-shot deal when it comes to this. So it's what it is. And that's what makes it a challenge. Well, anyways, on today, one of the things that I wanted to talk about was I'm in a partnership with a marketer that had just recently released a new product, or has got a product launch going on that has been going on, and I just found out about it at 3:30 this afternoon. And it's only good going on until Saturday. And yeah, it's like, you know, by the time I found out about it, it's like everybody else has ran 80% of the race and headed toward the finish line, and I'm just now on the start line. And for some crazy reason, I decided I'm going to see what I can do anyways and get involved with it. And I know I'm not going to place in the top 10, but at least I think I can maybe get some things. We'll see what I'll do. I'll let you know how it turns out. I mean, within 1 hour, I already had postings on 5 of my social network sites. So the big thing is getting my email list back together, and that's crazy too, because that was another thing I've been dragging my feet on is um, my email marketing. After I quit AWeber for um, reasons of, well, I thought they were really expensive. Plus, they had that policy where uh, even your unsubscribers stayed on the list unless you purposely went in, found them, and deleted them out. Otherwise, they were charging you for them. Or most other email marketing services don't do that. AWeber does, and that's one of the reasons why I quit, but not the only reason. The other thing is I went to kind of a self-hosting email marketing service with Autoresponder. That was a WordPress-based plugin, and obviously it had to use a WordPress site in order to be used. And when I had initially set it up, it was a memory hog, so I had made a subdomain to put it on of my domain. But the problem with that is one of the problems with it was that it would reference the subdomain and not the main domain. And I talked to the vendor about it, and they just said, well, that's the way it is. Put it on the main domain. It's like, no, I had it there, and it killed my page speed and killed a lot of other things about that because it was a memory hog. And so, anyways, it didn't work with the sending of the emails to where it was actually coming from. And the second problem is the restrictions of my hosting service on how many emails were allowed to be sent out at a time over a period of time. And with a 1,500 subscriber list, some of my email campaigns, it took 4 or 5 days before it finally had everybody mailed, and I wasn't even assured that they actually received them in all cases. Like a lot of the bounces that I got could have either been created because I tried to send too many at one time and the server bounced them, or because of they weren't properly protocoled with the email services some of these people were on. And whatever, it just was a big hassle. And even when I tried then to integrate the plugin with Amazon services, I didn't get it to work either. So I just ended up scrapping the whole thing, and consequently, been hanging on to about 1,500 subscribers that haven't heard from me for months. It's just been recently here that I had an opportunity to get into a new kind of cloud service, and they were offering, that you could get in on the start of this for a one-time fee. And I signed up for it, but of course, it's something brand new, and there's going to be a learning curve and several hours to learn how to set it up and get my people on there and all that other stuff, and then hopefully get emails sent out. And that'll be interesting to see if I can get that done too. But having this, all of a sudden participating in this contest also gave me the motivation to go ahead with it and see what I can do with it. And maybe it's kind of insane to do because it's like really the subscribers are really cold traffic now. They're not warmed up because they'll say, Mike who? Smart affiliate who? Because it's been quite some time since I last emailed them. So anyways, to make a long story short, I decided that I'm going to do this promotion with the 2 days that are remaining, and try to get my email marketing together. And the other thing is, you're probably thinking, well, why didn't he see the initial emails about it? And it's like, well, the reason is I have over 22 email accounts, and some of them I don't even see for a month in time. There's only about 1 or 2 accounts I might see on a daily basis, or almost a daily basis, and some of them maybe once or twice a week. And then each one has hundreds and hundreds of emails, because every time you sign up for something or buy something or whatever, it's like even when I got my anti-virus software for my computer, they send me stuff every day, and so do their partners. So I get about 10 emails generated every day just from that. And you buy a theme, or you buy a graphic program, or you buy whatever. You go to the grocery store and get, whatever, and they say, oh, well, you can get, this coupon, just sign up, and you just get emails for everything. And when you get so many emails, and also the partnership I'm with, they send out emails sometimes 2-3 times a day, and it just gets to be just too much. So I've kind of gotten blind to it. I just don't look, and then every once in a while I'll say, well, oh, they got something going on here now, it might be worth looking at. And that's what happened to me today, and found out it's been something that's been going on for a while, and I'm just getting in tune to it. So I'm starting a marathon race today that's already been going on, so I might still hit the finish line, but there will be probably nobody there to congratulate. So anyways, that's pretty much what I got to say today, and I'm going to share with you, and look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Have a good day.